So this is another new option, and it's made with almond flour, which is a good alternative to regular wheat flour. It's bleached and has a lot of chemicals, and it's not really the best for you aside from other grains. So almond flour, and these are just like regular saltines, 3 grams of protein, naturally gluten-free. Nice. These are my mom and I's favorite bars ever. They're $9.99 for a pack. How many are in there?
I don't know.
But these are Sunrise Energy bars. They're 100% vegan, loaded with rolled oats, dried cranberries, sunflower seeds, flax seeds, quinoa, coconut, pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, cashews, and more. I know they make little...
Oh, 4-6, they're good too.
They make bites like this, but they have milk in them, so they're not vegan. We ate a whole box of these in like a week. So we love these.
Well, this was absolutely delicious.
Yes, I have some right here still. It's almonds, cranberries, I think dried mangoes, pumpkin seeds, and walnuts.
Very
it's
good.
Full of omegas and delicious and good for you. Peanut free and no M&Ms. Yay. In college like me, you love ramen, and here is an alternative to the really, really terrible sodium-filled packets that you get at the regular store. They're like 10 cents. This is millet and brown rice ramen, gluten-free, vegan, whole grain noodles, 12 pack. Yay! So seeds can get really expensive at the regular grocery store. This is Nature's Intent organic chia seeds, 2 pounds, and it's for $6.49. At Target, you can get like a pound for like $4. So I love these. I get these all the time. I throw chia seeds in my oatmeal. I have chia seed shots. I do a lot with chia seeds. I love chia seeds. You can also get hemp hearts. These are a little more expensive. They're $13.69. These are just raw shelled hemp seeds. But it's just a good idea to buy things like this in bulk because seeds like this just get really pricey really, really fast. Same with oils. You can get oils here a lot cheaper. There's oils right over there. LOL. This avocado oil, how many ounces is it? 33 ounces, $9.99. Same with, this is another brand of olive oil, but the Kirkland Olive Oil, organic extra virgin olive oil, is $15.49, which seems kind of like a lot. It is. Oils are just pricey anyway, but this is so much cheaper than if you were buying it by itself. You can get this olive oil over here. I don't think it's organic, Mediterranean blend, but this is 2 of these for $30. Good price. You really should be using olive oil or like avocado oil, or there's a lot of different ones you can use versus vegetable oil or canola oil. Those are really not good, and they're really overprocessed, bad oil. So stick to avocado oil or olive oil. Same with the gluten-free non-white flours. They're a lot cheaper here. $8.99 for this 5-pound bag of gluten-free perfect flour blend. In here we have brown rice flour, tapioca starch, sweet brown rice flour, tapioca starch, brown rice flour, arrowroot powder, etc. Yay! Good stuff. Great place to find for $6.79. Really interesting. You're talking really interesting, different. My mother's talking over me. It's a good place to find really, really interesting, different kind of chips. Like these are organic chickpea puffs, vegan white cheddar. So these are very yum, completely organic. And over here we have Off the Eaten Path Veggie Crisps, which are rice, peas, and black beans. I believe these are also organic. $5.99. We also once found these Cornbread Crisps. Delicious, but again, Costco is just a great place to find like new up and coming different types of snacks. Another good thing to take a look at Costco is greens. This is a Power Greens, completely organic, earthbound farm, rich in vitamin C. This is a giant bag. This is 24 ounces, $5.99. You can get Power Greens, baby kale. Over here for $4.49, you can get these box salads that are $5.99, $6 at regular stores, full of organic. Very stylish. So another good thing to check out. This is another good deal. You can get these anywhere, but these are just like tomato packs like this. They're like $6. Tomatoes are a good source of lycopene, I believe is the chemical or whatever it is in there. Yes, they also have vitamin C, but like lycopene is linked to heart health, and it's also linked to preventing cancer and, you know, abnormal cell growth. Not a doctor, but I love these to snack on. Technically they're a fruit, but I just love them because they make me feel like I'm eating veggies, and they're so sweet and yummy. You can get these plain ones or also these that are multicolored. And we go through so many of these. I love tomatoes. Tomatoes are so yum. Organic frozen veggies are also really, really good to get here. Like, we're getting organic broccoli and organic rainbow cauliflower. There's so many different varieties and they're all relatively cheap, $7.99. But yeah, like frozen veggies, stir-fry vegetable blend, you can get edamame, you can get butternut squash. Like, also frozen fruit is pretty cheap here. So you just get bigger portions, so you have to shop less. Yay! This is Dave's Killer Bread. This is like one of our favorite breads. It's all organic, 21 whole grains and seeds. And this is just really good bread, better than white bread with like unbleached wheat flour, stuff like that. So this is good stuff, and it's also half the price because you get two. From Sam's Club, from Costco. Okay, so we have organic broccoli and organic cauliflower. I'm really excited about this because I need to eat more purples. Then we have 2 salads. We have spring mix, which is my mom's, and then I got baby spinach, and this is really nice. It comes in 2 packs. Then we got Morningstar Farms veggie burgers, black bean. I love to heat these up after class. We got a 6-pack of Booch. This is the K-Vita raspberry lemon. I already drank one. We got, what did you take? Oh, your mouthwash. Then we got Kirkland creamy almond butter. This is $6.99 for a giant one. Like, this is double the size of what you could get at a grocery store. In the grocery store, it's like $8. Then we got 2 of Dave's Killer Bread, our favorite bread. 2 tomatoes, one with the yellow and one just the plain. Over here, this is my mom's because I can't eat peanuts, peanut allergy. But we got 2 of these. We tried these in the store, it was so delicious. This Power Up Trail Mix. Mega Omegas, I think I talked about this before, but it's walnuts, mangoes, almonds, cranberries, pumpkin seeds. We got 2 of these because it was so yum. We got everything bagels, not the best kind of grain, but still delicious. Then we got these Sunrise energy bars. If you ever see these, buy these. These are the most delicious thing ever. You would think they'd be super grainy and like healthy tasting, but these are so sweet, so yummy. And then finally we just got dry roasted almonds. Okay, so I accidentally lost the footage, but I also talked about kombucha. Getting kombucha at Costco is much cheaper than getting it at the grocery store because you can buy like 6 packs or 12 packs, and it comes out to about $2 a booch, which, you know, booch at the grocery store can be up to like $3.50, $4.50. So it's definitely a really good deal. But overall, thanks for watching. This is just like a quick little overview of the different deals at Costco, and I hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope to catch you on the next one.